New York State Assemblyman Lester Chang recently presented a prestigious citation to Qassarr Mustafa Choudhary on recognition of his exemplary leadership and outstanding contributions during his tenure as President of the Pakistani American Republican Party. This honor highlights Choudhary's remarkable dedication to promoting civic engagements, fostering unity within the Pakistani American community, and supporting the democratic process. His efforts have strengthened community ties and left a lasting impact on the broader political landscape. The citation serves as a testament to Choudhary's commitment to public service and his role in encouraging active participation in the democratic process among Pakistani Americans. His leadership has been a beacon of inspiration, emphasizing the importance of unity and civic responsibility in shaping a stronger future.